guys, today I'm going to show you on how to create PDF with ApowerPDF. Simply download the program from its official page and install it on your computer. After the installation, launch the software. There are 3 ways on how to create PDF. First off, we have Create Blank Document. Simply hit Create and Blank Document, then customize the page. After that, enter the text and images that you want to include on the file, then edit. Once you are done, hit File then Save to save the created PDF file. Next, choose from File. Hit Create, then choose File button. You can import Word, Excel, and PowerPoint file and save as PDF. Lastly is by merging PDF files into one. Just hit the Combine PDF button, then add the files that you wish to merge. Once you are done, hit OK, then save it. And those are the ways on how to create PDF with ApowerPDF. Thanks for watching!